Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to roll over a 401k to Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. If you have a 401k from a previous employer and want to transfer those retirement savings into a Fidelity account, the process is relatively simple. First, visit Fidelity's website and navigate to the rollover section. There, you'll find information about rolling over an old 401k into a Fidelity rollover IRA. To begin, click on the option to open a Fidelity rollover IRA. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of rollover account that best fits your needs. Fidelity typically offers options that allow you to manage your own investments or choose a solution with investment guidance. Review the available choices and select the account that works best for your situation. After selecting an account, you'll be presented with options to either log in to an existing Fidelity account or create a new account. If you're already a Fidelity customer, simply sign in using your username and password. Fidelity may automatically populate some of your information, making the application process quicker and easier. If you don't have a Fidelity account yet, select the option to create one. You'll need to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, Social Security number, contact information, and residential address. You may also be asked to provide some employment details as part of the account setup process. Once you've completed the application and your Fidelity rollover IRA has been opened, you can begin the rollover process. Fidelity will provide instructions on how to transfer funds from your previous employer's 401k plan into your new Fidelity account. After the transfer is completed and the funds arrive in your rollover IRA, you'll be able to select investments and manage your retirement savings directly through Fidelity. And that's how to roll over a 401k to Fidelity. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.